This video features a selection of the new and updated features from the November 2025 release. The full list of features can be found in the November 2025 version 20.25.11 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace community. This month, we're excited to highlight the following features. The redesigned admin tools menu now includes a search function, an all tab for categorizing tools, and a pinned tab for quick access. The locale options in the Courses tool now allow administrators to set and force a specific locale during course creation, simplifying language management. Administrators can now create new course offerings directly from IPSIS section association, eliminating the need to access the course management tool. Instructors and administrators can now import and export Brightspace assignments along with third-party processors. Progress bars in several tools, including quizzes and content, have been enhanced for visual consistency and accessibility, improving support for screen readers and assistive technologies. Learning outcomes are now grouped by outcome set across the platform, improving organization and clarity for users. The Grades tool now includes an option to exclude grade items from the final grade calculation during bulk editing, streamlining grade management in courses using the points grading system. To wrap things up, we'll take a quick look at changes to other key features and share some important announcements. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. In the October 2025 release, the Admin Tools menu was redesigned to make your admin experience smoother and more efficient. Starting in November 2025, the new Admin Tools menu is on by default for all clients, with the option to turn it off until February 2026 when the tool becomes permanently enabled. No opt-out. With this update, you can find the All tab, which organizes your tools by category, and the Pinned tab to save your most used tools for quick access. This functionality is controlled by the D2L.preference.newAdminTools menu configuration variable. This feature implements the following PI item: D11487, Admin Tools Cog Needs Search feature. Thank you to those who put forward this PI suggestion. Administrators now have more control over course language settings. With the new locale options in the Courses tool, administrators can select a locale during the course creation process, setting the language of the course. Plus, they can now use the Force Locale option to override a user's language preference within the course. This functionality is controlled by the D2L.tools.courses.locale options configuration variable, which replaces the old Form Elements tool. Administrators no longer need to navigate to the course admin page to set locale settings. This feature is available to all clients and is enabled by default. To use it, administrators need the Manage Courses Change Locale and Manage Courses Force Locale permissions applied to their role. Administrators can link to the Courses tool to create new course offerings directly from IPSIS section association. This update supports the planned deprecation of the Course Management tool, which will reach end of life (EOL) in the February 2026 2026.02 release. Previously, administrators were directed to the Course Management tool to create new course offerings. Administrators can navigate to the Courses tool to create course offerings using the following methods. From the Search SIS Sections page in IPSIS Section Association, search for an SIS section. Select one or more SIS sections and then click Manage Course Offering Associations. Then, select Create a New Course Offering from the drop-down menu and click Go to navigate to the Courses tool. Alternatively, click the Actions menu next to a specific SIS section. Select Manage SIS Section Associations. Click Create a New Course Offering to navigate to the Courses tool. This feature is available to all clients. No new configuration variables or role permissions are required for this functionality. Instructors and administrators can now import and export Brightspace assignments along with their attached third-party processors, like CopyLeaks. Previously, when assignments were exported, third-party processors weren't included, and instructors had to manually reattach them after import. With this update, the third-party processors are now automatically included in the export or import process, making it easier to move assignments between courses without missing a step. This feature is available to all clients and doesn't require any new permissions or configuration variables to be enabled. In the November 2025 release, Brightspace introduces improvements to progress bar indicators, enhancing both visual consistency and accessibility. These updates support screen readers and assistive technologies, making it easier for all users to track the progress of their tasks. The progress bars have been updated across several tools, including the new content experience, quizzes, content uploader, and more. Now, users will have a clearer view of ongoing tasks, such as file uploads or quiz imports. This feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled for all users, with no additional configuration needed. With the November 2025 update, Brightspace introduces improved organization for learning outcomes. Outcomes are now grouped by outcome set across the platform, including in the course outcomes list and release condition drop-downs. This new structure makes it easier for administrators and instructors to navigate and understand outcomes. Each outcome set is displayed as a distinct group, reducing confusion and improving clarity. This update also renames lower-level outcomes to sub-outcomes for better consistency and terminology across Brightspace. Additionally, new warning messages will appear when attempting to delete an outcome that's linked to a deleted activity. Users will also receive a confirmation prompt if no assessments are linked to an outcome before deletion. This feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled for all users, with no new permissions or configuration variables needed. Instructors can now exclude grade items from the final grade calculation when bulk editing in the Grades tool. The new Exclude from Final column allows instructors to quickly update multiple grade items at once without needing to edit them individually. This functionality was previously only available when editing grade items one by one. Now, managing large grade books is much more efficient, especially for courses using the points grading system. Note that this option is only available in courses using the points grading system. For courses using weighted or formula grading systems, items can be excluded by assigning a weight of 0 or by excluding them from the formula. This feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled for all users, with no new configuration variables or permissions required. This feature implements the following PI items: D1773, bulk edit grade, item D9984, course level configuration to include, exclude grade from final grade, D8386, grade book, bulk edit D8515, add a category in the bulk edit. Thank you to those who put forward these PI suggestions. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. When managing LTI integrations, the Manage Tool Registrations permission has been renamed to Manage LTI Tools, consolidating privileges and simplifying permissions for administrators. Legacy permissions for LTI 1.1 have also been renamed for improved clarity. However, users who previously had only the Manage Tool Deployments permission will not automatically receive the new permission. When setting up LTI integrations, commonly used options for sharing org unit and link information, as well as deep linking, are now enabled by default, simplifying the configuration process for administrators and reducing the risk of incorrect settings. When using the Outcome Achievement Dashboard, ASN outcomes aligned to accessible activities and assessed now appear, providing a more complete and accurate view of outcome achievement for all outcome types, including ASN-defined outcomes. In the Learner Awards widget, hidden awards are now properly hidden for all users in the Available Awards tab, aligning with the Awards tool, ensuring consistent visibility based on Brightspace permissions. Before wrapping up, here are some announcements we're excited to share. Administrators can now configure grade item weights through Brightspace IPSIS, expanding automation and supporting integration with external systems, where previously these settings could only be adjusted via the UI. D2L is continuing to unlist outdated Brightspace tutorial videos that no longer reflect current interfaces and workflows. Embedded links in Brightspace documentation have already been updated to point to the latest versions. For a list of added, unlisted, and removed videos, refer to the Brightspace tutorial video updates. Added, unlisted, removed link in the video description box. You asked, we delivered. We are excited to announce the launch of our new product idea exchange Pi widget on the community page, designed to help you connect more easily with all the inspirational Pi ideas implemented in a given release. For more details, refer to the Where to Find Pi Updates blog post. The link can be found in the description box below. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the November 2025 version 20.25.11 release notes on Brightspace community. See you next month.